Alright, hi guys, welcome to the channel and Alright, hi guys, welcome to the channel, and if you've watched my video, most of my videos nasa loob ako ng studio for my radio shows. But for today, we'll do something different. We'll do something special ngayong araw na to. And we will do some cooking. And ito, first time kong gagawin ito. And first time din sa vlog, first time din personally. So we will do something special. Ito yung isang luto ng aking father, no? This is one of his specialty, and this is Biko. Okay, ang Biko masarap yan kahit anong okasyon. Okay, so we will try to replicate the Biko na ginagawa ng tatay ko. Okay, so this is the first time, so I don't know what will happen, but it is very important to know the ingredients. Importante yan sa cooking. First of all, kailangan natin ng sticky rice or yung pilit. Okay, importante yan. And of course, hindi magagawa ang Biko pag walang ganito. Okay? So, itong ang tawag ito? Coconut nut. Hindi coconut nut. Basta kinagod. Kinagod na coconut. So, and muscovado. Okay? Not brown sugar, but muscovado. And of course later on meron tayong mga add-ons na mga vanilla. Alright? So let's start how to make Biko na kasing sarap ni Miko. Alright, first kailangan natin ng lalagyan ng ating sticky rice. Para lang tayong saing ng kanin. Kaya lang sticky rice. Ayan. Okay. So, we put water. Okay. So, basically, same process lang ng pagluluto ng yung ordinary kanin natin. And of course, using Filipino style. Alright. Dito. Alright guys, yung ating sticky rice ay andun na. So while waiting for it to cook, we will prepare the coconut milk. Okay, so here now is our 2 packs of coconut. So, ang gagawin natin ay we extract the milk. Okay, so we would need 1 cup of water. Okay. Ito na. Yeah, see the milk? That is very important. Yeah. Alright guys, so after we have extracted the coconut, so we were able to get the 2, yung first extraction, okay, and then you just have to repeat, no, the same thing after makuha yung first batch of milk, and then you add another water para sa pangalawa. So as you can see, this is the first one that we were able, so medyo ano siya, makita nimo na, you know, the milk is stickier than this one. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna check out ang ating sticky rice. You could see, okay, so may mga konting water pa siya, so we don't wait for it to really cook. Alright guys, so ang ating sticky rice is 95% cooked. And so, iset aside muna natin, and it's time for us to do one of the hardest part of making Biko, itong pagluluto ng yung coconut milk. Okay, so first, medium fire lang tayo, and then we will put the milk onto a pan. So this, cook, and actually wait for it to boil. Alright, hi guys. So nakikita nyo, nag-boil na yung ating coconut milk. Okay, so ito na yung time na ilalagay na natin yung ating muscovado sugar. So I'm using organic muscovado. Okay, and this is 500 grams. So I'm cooking 1 kilo. So dalawang 500 grams. Ayan. So continuous lang yung ating pagmi-mix ng muscovado and the sugar. So we want the sugar and the milk to incorporate each other, like para silang kinasal, diba? Alright, so continuous lang yung pag-mix ng coconut milk at saka yung muscovado until such time na makikita mo siya na parang naging sticky na, or what we call it here as latik. So before we will put the rice into this mixture. Alright, so as you can see ay medyo sticky na yung ating latik, and we're almost done with the stage sa ating paggagawa ng latik. So at this point, lagyan natin ng vanilla. So I'm cooking about 1 kilo of sticky rice, so I will have to use 2 teaspoons ng vanilla. That's 1, that's 2, and paswerte. Ayan. Alright guys, so here we are. Ito na yung final latik natin. And pag ganyan na yung itsura, at ganyan na yung kalapot, this would signal us na ito na yung time na i-transfer na natin yung ating sticky rice dito sa latik. Alright guys, so eto na yung ating Biko na kasing sarap ni Miko. Ayan, so again we are cooking 1 kilo of sticky rice. So for the ingredients, yung mga details ng paano namin ito ginawa, we will just be putting it right there at the description box. Okay, so eto na yung masarap na Biko. So I'll be doing more of cooking. So if you have a suggestion, just comment down below kung ano yung sunod na gusto nyong ipaluto ni Papa Miko. And yep, ganun. Kung meron kayong mga own strategies of making your own Biko, pwede kayong mag-share, no? Para malaman ng karamihan. Okay, so ayan guys, yan na ang ating masarap na Biko. I got this from my dad, and for the very first time, naluto ko, and I'm happy how it looks, and titikman din natin mamaya how it tastes. Alright, so let's give it a taste test. First ever Biko ni Miko. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like your food to be on the sweet side, so you can decrease the number of sugar or yung muscovado sa inyong ingredients. So for this, I was using 500 grams to 500 grams of muscovado. So maybe you can have like 700 grams or 800 grams of muscovado if you don't want it sweet, but perfect, just the way I like it. Ang masarap na Biko ni Miko.